everyone! Welcome back to my channel where I share tips to help you look and feel your best. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's so close to my heart, skincare mistakes. We all want that healthy, radiant complexion, but sometimes, unknowingly, we make choices that sabotage our skin goals. Don't worry, I've been there, made those mistakes, and learned from them. So stick around as we break down these common skincare blunders, and most importantly, learn how to fix them for good. Alright, let's talk about overwashing. You might think, Hiram, how can cleansing my face be bad? Here's the thing, guys. While cleansing is essential, overdoing it can strip away those natural oils our skin needs. Think of it like this. You wouldn't wash a delicate silk shirt 10 times a day, right? Our skin is delicate too. Overwashing can disrupt its natural pH balance, leading to dryness, irritation, and even more oil production. Trust me, I used to think more washing equals clearer skin, but it's all about finding that balance. Stick to cleansing twice a day, morning and night, using a gentle cleanser. Your skin will thank you. Let's talk about the holy grail of skincare, sunscreen. Seriously guys, if you only take one thing away from this video, let it be this: sunscreen is non-negotiable. Think of it as a protective shield against those harmful UV rays that age our skin, cause hyperpigmentation, and make acne scars harder to fade. And don't even get me started on the long-term risks. No matter your skin type or tone, SPF 30 or higher every single day is a must. Rain or shine, indoors or outdoors, those UV rays are sneaky. Make sunscreen your BF, your skin will thank you for it. We all love trying new skincare products, but let's talk about the dangers of product overload. Imagine this. You're layering on serums, essences, treatments all at once, hoping for a miracle. But instead of glowing skin, you're met with redness, irritation, and breakouts. Sound familiar? Our skin can only handle so much at once, especially when it comes to potent ingredients like retinol or acids. Start with a simple routine: a gentle cleanser, moisturizer, and of course, sunscreen. If you're introducing new products, do it one at a time, giving your skin time to adjust. Less is often more in the world of skincare. Chapter 4, hands off, resist the picking urge. Let's be real. We've all been there, staring in the mirror, tempted to pick at that zit. But trust me, picking is a recipe for disaster. It can lead to scarring, infections, and even spread bacteria, causing more breakouts. I know it's hard, but resist the urge. Instead, opt for a targeted spot treatment with ingredients like benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid. These ingredients work wonders to fight blemishes without damaging your skin. Remember, patience is key. Let the product do its magic, and you'll see much better results than going after it with your fingers. Chapter 5, the nightly cleanse non-negotiable. I know after a long day, the last thing you want to do is wash your face. But trust me, going to bed with makeup on is like suffocating your skin. Think about it. All that makeup, dirt, and oil clogging your pores, preventing your skin from breathing and repairing itself overnight. No matter how tired you are, take a few minutes to remove your makeup. Micellar water is a lifesaver for this. It gently lifts away makeup without stripping your skin. Follow it up with your cleanser, and your skin will be thanking you in the morning. Chapter 6, you are what you eat, diet, and skin connection. We often underestimate the connection between what we put into our bodies and how our skin looks. Just like a healthy diet nourishes our body, it also nourishes our skin. Processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive dairy can wreak havoc on our complexion, leading to inflammation and breakouts. On the flip side, loading up on fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats can do wonders for our skin. Remember, hydration is key. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps to flush out toxins and keep our skin plump and radiant. Chapter 7, moisturizer, even for oily skin. This is for all my oily skin friends out there. Don't be afraid of moisturizer. It might seem counterintuitive, but skipping moisturizer can actually make your skin oilier. When your skin is dehydrated, it overcompensates by producing more oil. The key is choosing the right type of moisturizer. Opt for lightweight, oil-free formulas that hydrate without clogging your pores. Trust me, a good moisturizer will help balance your skin's oil production and leave you with a healthy glow. Chapter 8. We live in a world of instant gratification, but skincare doesn't work that way. It takes time for products to work their magic. Switching products every other week because you don't see immediate results can actually harm your skin. Give a product at least 4 to 6 weeks to show its true potential. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to a routine, be patient, and let your skin adjust and reap the benefits over time. Chapter 9. We often focus on what we put on our skin, but forget about the tools we use. Think about it. Your makeup brushes, sponges, even your phone screen come into contact with your skin daily. Over time, they accumulate dirt, oil, and bacteria, which can transfer to your skin and cause breakouts. Make it a habit to clean your makeup brushes and sponges weekly. Wash your pillowcases regularly, and give your phone screen a quick wipe down with an alcohol pad. These small steps can make a huge difference in maintaining clear and healthy skin. Chapter 10. Taking care of your skin doesn't have to be complicated. It's about making mindful choices and being consistent with your routine. Avoid these common mistakes we've talked about, and you're already on the right track. Remember, your skin deserves to be treated with love and care. Listen to your skin, be patient with the process, and enjoy the journey to healthier, happier skin. And there you have it, the top skincare mistakes to avoid for that healthy, radiant complexion you deserve. Remember, knowledge is power, and now you have the knowledge to make informed choices for your skin. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share it with a friend who needs to hear this. Until next time, stay radiant. Gap2S. But before we go, let's talk about the best skincare routines tailored for different skin types, because one size does not fit all. Gap1S. For dry skin, your focus should be on hydration. Start with a gentle hydrating cleanser. Follow it up with a toner that adds moisture. Next, apply a rich, hydrating serum and a thick moisturizer to lock in all the goodness. Don't forget your sunscreen, even if you have dry skin. Gap2S. For oily skin, you need to balance oil production without stripping your skin. Begin with a foaming cleanser to remove excess oil. Use a toner that helps control oil and minimizes pores. Opt for a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer and always end with an oil-free sunscreen. Gap2S. For combination skin, target both dry and oily areas. Use a gentle cleanser that works for all skin types. Apply a balancing toner and use a lightweight moisturizer on your T-zone and a richer one on your cheeks. Finish off with a broad-spectrum sunscreen. Gap2S. For sensitive skin, less is more. Choose products with minimal ingredients. Start with a very gentle cleanser, avoid exfoliating toners, and use a soothing serum. A calming, fragrance-free moisturizer and a physical sunscreen are your best friends. Gap2S. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to your routine and give your skin the time it needs to show results. Your skin will thank you. Gap3S. And that's all for today. If you have any questions or need personalized advice, drop a comment below. We're here to help you on your skincare journey. Stay radiant. Before we wrap up, let's dive into the top ingredients you should look for in skincare products. Understanding these can help you make informed choices and achieve your best skin yet. Gap1S. First up, hyaluronic acid. This powerhouse ingredient is a must for hydration. It helps your skin retain moisture, making it look plump and youthful. Gap1S. Next, niacinamide, also known as vitamin B3. This ingredient is fantastic for reducing inflammation, improving skin elasticity, and even brightening your complexion. Gap1S. Then we have retinol, a derivative of vitamin A. Retinol is renowned for its anti-aging benefits. It promotes cell turnover and can reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Gap1S. Don't forget vitamin C. This antioxidant is great for brightening your skin and protecting it from environmental damage. It can also help to even out your skin tone. Gap1S. Salicylic acid. If you struggle with acne, this is your go-to ingredient. It penetrates deep into the pores to exfoliate and clear out impurities. Gap1S. Lastly, ceramides. These are essential for maintaining your skin's natural barrier. They lock in moisture and protect against environmental aggressors. Gap2S. When choosing skincare products, always check the ingredient list and look for these beneficial components. Your skin will thank you. Gap2S. And now, you're equipped with the knowledge to create a skincare routine that's perfect for your skin type and concerns. Stay radiant and keep glowing. Now that you know what ingredients to look for, let's clear up some common skincare myths that might be holding you back from achieving your best skin. Gap1S. Myth. Number 1. Oily skin doesn't need moisturizer. This is a big misconception. Even oily skin needs hydration to maintain its balance. Skipping moisturizer can actually make your skin produce even more oil. Gap 1S. Myth number 2. Natural ingredients are always better. While natural ingredients can be beneficial, not all of them are suitable for every skin type. Some can be irritating or cause allergic reactions. It's important to patch test and see what works best for you. Gap 1S. Myth number 3. You only need sunscreen on sunny days. UV rays can penetrate through clouds and even windows, so it's essential to wear sunscreen every day, regardless of the weather. Gap 1S. Myth number 4. The more you exfoliate, the better. Over-exfoliating can damage your skin's barrier and lead to irritation. Stick to exfoliating 1-2 times a week, depending on your skin's tolerance. Gap 1S. Myth number 5. Expensive products are always more effective. Price doesn't always equate to quality. There are many affordable products with high-quality ingredients that can be just as effective as their pricier counterparts. Gap 1S. Understanding these myths can help you make smarter skincare choices and avoid potential pitfalls. Your journey to healthier skin is all about finding what works best for you. Gap 2S. And there you have it. With these myths debunked, you're now even more equipped to navigate the world of skincare with confidence. Stay informed, stay radiant, and keep glowing. Now that we've debunked some common skincare myths, let's dive into how to build a skincare routine that works for you. Creating an effective skincare routine doesn't have to be complicated. It all starts with understanding your skin type and its unique needs. First, identify your skin type. Is it oily, dry, combination, or sensitive? This will help you choose products tailored to your skin's requirements. Next, focus on the basics: cleansing, moisturizing, and protecting your skin. A gentle cleanser will remove dirt and impurities without stripping your skin of its natural oils. Follow up with a moisturizer that suits your skin type to keep it hydrated and balanced. Don't forget the sunscreen. Protecting your skin from UV damage is crucial, so make sure to use a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher every day. Once you've got the basics down, you can start incorporating additional products like serums and treatments. Look for ingredients that target your specific skin concerns, such as hyaluronic acid for hydration, niacinamide for brightening, or salicylic acid for acne. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to your routine and give your products time to work. It's also important to listen to your skin and adjust your routine as needed. If you notice irritation or breakouts, it might be time to switch up your products or consult a dermatologist. Building a skincare routine is a journey. It might take some trial and error, but with patience and dedication, you'll find what works best for you. Stay committed, stay glowing, and enjoy the process of discovering your best skin yet. Sensitive skin requires extra care and attention. If you have sensitive skin, you know how easily it can react to new products, environmental changes, and even stress. Here are some essential tips to help you take care of your sensitive skin effectively. First, always perform a patch test before introducing a new product into your routine. Apply a small amount of the product on your wrist or behind your ear, and wait 24 hours to see if any irritation occurs. This simple step can prevent potential reactions. Choose products with minimal ingredients and avoid those with fragrances, alcohol, and harsh chemicals. Look for labels that say hypoallergenic, fragrance-free, and dermatologist-tested. Ingredients like aloe vera, chamomile, and calendula are known for their soothing properties and can be beneficial for sensitive skin. When cleansing your skin, opt for a gentle, sulfate-free cleanser that won't strip your skin of its natural oils. Use lukewarm water instead of hot water, as hot water can aggravate sensitive skin. Pat your skin dry with a soft towel rather than rubbing it. Moisturizing is crucial for sensitive skin. Choose a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer that provides hydration without clogging your pores. Ingredients like ceramides and hyaluronic acid can help strengthen your skin's barrier and lock in moisture. Sun protection is vital for sensitive skin. Use a mineral-based sunscreen with zinc oxide or titanium dioxide, which are less likely to cause irritation. Look for a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher and reapply every 2 hours when exposed to the sun. Lastly, be mindful of your environment. Avoid exposure to extreme temperatures and protect your skin from wind and pollution. Using a humidifier at home can help maintain moisture levels in the air, which is beneficial for sensitive skin. Remember, less is more when it comes to sensitive skin. Stick to a simple routine and avoid overloading your skin with too many products. If you experience persistent irritation or have concerns about your skin, consult a dermatologist for personalized advice. Taking care of sensitive skin may require some extra effort, but with the right approach, you can keep your skin calm, healthy, and radiant.